1 lap to green.
Okay, this is round 3 of the hosted EurOval series with the NASCAR Euro car. We're at Langley. We qualified 3rd in a field of 35 for a 30-minute race. Hopefully not too many cautions. Feel pretty good about the setup. Did some work on it. Still a 10th off the pole time, but track position race, we just want to stay up front. See how it goes.
Green, green, green. Post car is off. Time to do your job.
Green came out really early there.
Still there, hold your line. Go low. Clear high. The next car's the leader.
Track is really hot, so it's going to be tough. Low and slow is what we want. Got to back off the corners more than that, though. It's not very good. They're super loose.
17.258. That was your fastest lap of the session. The car in P1 just set the fastest lap. 16.976. The car in P1 just set the fastest lap. 16.92.
The car is really rotating. Feels way different than it did in practice and qualifying.
17.075. The leader is running 16.937.
Everyone behind is really bunched up, though. I feel like there's going to be yellows, so I'm not going to push too hard to try to catch Shane right now.
17.175.
There's not much pressure from behind us either. "30 minutes is an extremely long race at a track like this."
17.165.
So everyone's going to be fighting the same thing.
17.192.
Okay, already starting to see lap traffic ahead. Looks like 32 cars actually started the race.
17.276. The leader just did a 17.152.
We are so slow compared to our practice time, which means we're way over fueled if we're going to keep up this pace. And we've got a caution. Oh, didn't realize he was pulling up on the track right there. That was close, but we're safe. Remember, the green comes out really early.
Post car is off. Green flag, green flag. Pit road is now open. 35.413.
We tried to slot in behind him, but
Clear inside.
41 car bumped us. Thankfully, he lets us in now.
17.972. The leader is running 17.42. Caution, yellow flag. Line up, single file. Pit road is closed.
Okay, not much change there. I mean, now we're going to have the advantage by starting third instead of second.
Pace car is off. Be ready. Green flag, green flag. 34.836 outside. Still there. Still there. Stay low. Stay low. There is a car on the high side.
Trying not to overdrive the entry. Okay, now this time we're going to start in second again.
Pit road is closed. Pace car is off. Green flag, green flag. Pit road's open. 17.557. 35.976. The leader is running. 35.176. Inside. Still there. Hold your line. Still there. Keep high. Stay high. There's a car on the low side. Clear. 17.658. 17.453. You're back in second. Single file. Closed. Pit road is closed.
I don't know what's happening in the back of the field, but frustrating.
Pit
And
road's open.
starting fourth is no bueno.
The pace car is in. Green flag, green flag. Leader is running. 36.569. Inside. Still there, inside. Still there, inside. Still there at the bottom. Clear inside. 34.56. 18.054. Outside. Keep low. Clear. Outside. Clear outside if you want it. 17.3.
That's big contact there.
Car inside. Clear inside.
They just got to calm down now. We're in fifth. That was a weird sequence. And I'm just trying to hold my ground. 96 definitely took advantage there. Was able to get the clean side of us when we pushed up into the 41. And that purple car really tried to dive in on us by going on the apron. 41 car's blinking isn't really helping.
17.228. The leader is running. 17.173. Slow car down low. 17.473.
One super loose.
17.577. Caution, yellow flag. They want you in single file. Pit road is closed right now. Pace car is off. Be ready. Green, green, green. The leader just did a 33.004. Car outside. Go high. Caution, yellow flag. Line up, single file. Pit road is closed right now. Pit road's open.
Okay, back to third. I mean, I want to look at that one. I hope I didn't cause it. Got a way better start than the cars that started in third, and I definitely put them 3 wide, but I mean, I can't wait for him to correct and, you know, risk myself getting dive bombed.
Pace car is off. Time to do your job. Green flag, green flag. 34.819. 35.311. Car outside. Keep low. Outside is clear. Back in third. Keep hustling. We got damage on the front end. 17.549. The leader is running. 17.186. .277. Keep it up. We're in a great spot.
Okay, 10 minutes to go, we're in third. I'd like to see this race play green to the end, I think. Right in front of Nick, so we'll get some good TV time on his channel.
17.329. Car stopped up high.
Okay, a few slower cars back here, but thankfully no caution. And now we get a caution.
Single file. Closed. Pit road is closed. Pace car is off. Green flag. Green flag. The leader just did a 36.546. 34.734. .524. You're back in second. .324. Caution, yellow flag. They want you in single file. Pit road is closed.
Frustrating.
Pace car is off. Time to do your job. Green, green, green. Pit road's open. Okay, you are the leader. 35.625. The leader just did a 35.258. Car inside. Still there at the bottom. Still inside. Keep high.
Super frustrating to start on the outside. And we're gonna be in fourth again. Oh my god.
Pace car is in. Green, green, green. 17.912. Back in third. Keep hustling. 35.281. Car inside. Still there. Keep high. Stay high. The car on the low side. Clear. 17.762. Leader is running. 17.07.
Okay, that was a strategic loss of position to 5th, because I think we're only going to get one more restart now. And if we wreck again, it's going to end under yellow for sure. So, hopefully this means we can actually finish in 4th.
Pit road's open.
Because this is just what this race has been.
Pace car is off. Time to do your job. Green flag, green flag. 32.889. Outside. Keep low. The yellow flag is out. Line up.
Damn it.
Single file. Pit road is closed.
What is happening? I mean, this has to end it, I would say. Maybe 1 to go? That would be so weird. They're giving us the white? Yes, they're giving us the white.
Next time by. Line up on the outside. Pit road is closed.
So, we have to be careful not to get a black flag here by passing the 86.
We're not going green. Not going green. Hang on. We're not going green. Not going green.
I guess we're just going to end in 4th, though. Which, yeah. Okay. Kind of disappointed because we put a lot of work into the
Pit road
setup,
is now open.
and we never got to really see it on the long run. But qualified well and started near the front, and that's
Past
all it took to get a good finish, I guess.